through the next 10 years, actually returns averaged about 50% a year. And I think they were 37 points better than the Dow per year, something like that. But that I was working with a tiny, tiny, tiny amount of money.
Holding onto $1,000 and wondering how best to use it? Debating between a luxury splurge or a savvy investment? First, give yourself a round of applause for saving that $1,000. But let's ensure it doesn't merely sit there. Some say $1,000 isn't enough to make waves. Yet, investment legends like Warren Buffett see things differently. No amount is too small to ignite your financial journey. Today, we are unearthing Buffett's tactics to turn that $1,000 into a more considerable sum. And keep an ear out for the fourth method. It's one that Buffett swears by. Ready to rewrite your financial destiny? Get your notes ready. But before we get into that, we have a quick favor to ask you. Around 98% of our viewers are not subscribed. Our goal is to get that number down to 50%. If you like our content, please hit the subscribe button. It helps more than you know. The bigger the channel gets, the bigger the videos. Thank you so much. Alright, now back to the video. Number 5. Real estate syndication.
They're the businesses that you buy once, and then you don't have to keep making capital investments subsequently. So you do not face the problem of continuous reinvestment involving greater and greater dollars because of inflation. That's one reason real estate in general is good during inflation. If you built your own house 55 years ago like Charlie did, or bought one 55 years ago like I did, it's a one-time outlay.
Walking through a bustling neighborhood filled with modern apartments and commercial centers, you might think real estate treasures are only for millionaires. But here's the revelation. With just $1,000, you can enter this lucrative world. It's a common saying, it takes money to make money. And while more substantial investments often yield bigger returns, Warren Buffett has always emphasized the value of patience and smart investing. He famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." And this is where real estate syndication shines for someone like you. Imagine real estate syndication as a joint venture. With your $1,000, you partner with other investors. Together, you can acquire properties that seem out of reach. You'll get your rightful share of the profits as these assets grow in value or churn out income. Real estate syndication has its challenges. You'll trust a lead investor or group to make decisions. Remember, cashing out from such investments might take longer than with stocks. But if you're keen to dive deep into real estate and have the patience to wait for your gains, syndication is a solid first step. It's a pathway to let your $1,000 work diligently for you, echoing Buffett's approach to long-term wealth creation. Through syndication, your initial investment could lay the foundation for a prosperous financial future. Ready to take the leap? Every rewarding journey starts with a single decision. Let yours be with this $1,000 investment. Number 4. Index funds.
14 presidents, 7 Republicans, 7 Democrats. We've had world wars. We had 9/11. We had the Cuban Missile Crisis. We have all kinds of things. The best single thing you could have done on March 11th, 1942, when I bought my first stock, was just buy an index fund.
Imagine standing at the edge of a vast financial stadium, aiming to select the best teams but daunted by the sheer number and variety. Your $1,000 is your entry ticket to this game, and you're driven to ensure it's invested with champions. Enter index funds, the all-star team of the investment world. Warren Buffett, a name synonymous with investment success, always pushes the mantra, understand the business before investing, but with the rush of the modern world, who has the bandwidth to delve into the nitty-gritty of every potential company? This is precisely where the beauty of index funds shines. Rather than diving deep into one company, your $1,000 gets spread across the market's top players, capturing a snapshot of its overall growth. Index funds like the S&P 500 have consistently shown their strength through their track record of outperforming many actively managed funds. This isn't by chance. It's a testament to the strength of diversification and the inherent efficiency of the market. And for our global viewers, there's great news. You don't have to be based in the US to invest in the S&P 500. Many ETFs globally track this and other indices, including the Nifty 50 in India and the FTSE 100 in the UK. Buffett's endorsement of index funds is clear-cut. A low-cost index fund is the most sensible equity investment for the vast majority of investors. And why? Because not only do they historically promise returns, but also free you from the tediousness of individual stock analysis, excessive broker fees, and the risk of concentrating too much in on one stock.
The biggest thing in making money is time. And I've had this long run, and so the compounding at the end turns into very big numbers. But you've got a tailwind in this country if you just own a cross-section of it. One big thing is keeping down expenses, and the other thing is not trying to pick one stock, but owning a large group of stocks and buying it over time, and then just sitting and paying no attention to people who say they know when to buy and sell stocks or buy and sell this individual stock. So it's a very simple game where the person who doesn't try to do very much usually does better than the person who spends a lot more energy on it.
Think of index funds as a trusting top-tier sports manager who knows how to pick the best players to form a winning team, rather than scouting every player individually. With your $1,000 and an ambition to see it flourish, index funds are a testament to historically validated and efficient strategy. Jump in and ride the wave of the market's collective genius. Number 3. Business. Imagine standing on a bridge overlooking a bustling marketplace. On one side are mighty corporations that begin as mere dreams. On the other, entrepreneurs are eager to carve their niche. With just $1,000 in your pocket, you might feel like a small fish in this vast pond. But remember, even the mightiest oak springs from a humble acorn. In this digital age, your $1,000 can be the launch pad for many online enterprises. Whether you're captivated by the world of dropshipping, intrigued by the expansive reach of affiliate marketing, fascinated by the storytelling in blogging, or envision selling ebooks and other digital products, the digital realm is teeming with potential. With diligence and commitment, these avenues can significantly amplify your initial investment. However, the offline world is equally promising if you are more inclined to hands-on, tangible ventures. Picture yourself setting up a home-based culinary service catering to the ever-evolving palates of metropolitan cities, or starting a dog care service in a pet-friendly neighborhood, or offering specialized tutorials in skills that you excel at. For those with a cultural torch, consider leveraging local festivals, traditions, and unique regional offerings as potential business opportunities. Buffett's golden advice rings true here. Let your passion be your guiding star. Investing your energy and resources into something you genuinely care about ensures you stay driven and committed, a crucial ingredient for success. Many industry titans today have humble beginnings in garages and dorm rooms. As Charlie Munger, Buffett's trusted confidant, once said, "Take a simple idea and take it seriously." Your $1,000 can be that simple, transformative idea. Number 2. Investing in oneself.
Most people go through life using up a very, very small part of their potential. And so anything you do that invests in yourself, that's the best investment you can possibly make. And then I would follow my passion. I mean, whatever turns you on.
In the heart of Omaha, Nebraska, an unexpected certificate hangs in a quiet office adorned with a memorabilia from a lifetime of accomplishments. It doesn't hail from the University of Nebraska or even the renowned Columbia Business School. Instead, it celebrates the completion of the Dale Carnegie course in effective speaking, leadership training, and the art of winning friends and influencing people from 1952. This framed testament belongs to none other than Warren Buffett. He recalls the course instructions pushing him to do all these crazy things to get out of ourselves. The impact was profound. In his words from the HBO documentary, "Becoming Warren Buffett," he stated, "If hadn't done that, my whole life would have been different." Buffett's tale underscores a universal truth. Sometimes, the most unexpected investments in oneself yield the most transformative results. Your $1,000 can be your gateway to such life-altering experiences. Whether it's books that provide unparalleled insights, seminars that connect you with industry pioneers, or courses that sharpen in-demand skills, the world is brimming with opportunities. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offers various courses catering to our global audience. Whether you're from the US, India, Canada, the UK, or any other part of the world, there's something tailored just for you. And akin to Buffett's Dale's Carnegie course, there's value in exploring unconventional avenues that push boundaries and comfort zones. Buffett's lifelong business partner, Charlie Munger, echoed this sentiment. Those who keep learning will keep rising in life. Investing in one's growth isn't just about amassing knowledge, it's about harnessing it to pave paths less traveled, shape destinies, and transform futures. In the words of Buffett, the more you learn, the more you'll earn. So as you decide your next step, remember that every dollar dedicated to self-improvement isn't just an expenditure. It's a down payment on the future rich in knowledge, opportunity, and potential. Number 1. Investing in others. As Warren Buffett once remarked, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. This philosophy isn't solely confined to self-investment. It extends to those around us. Here's how. Investing in an existing business. You've probably heard the tales of Silicon Valley giants being supported by a friend or an acquaintance in their infancy. By infusing your $1,000 into an emerging venture, you endorse their dreams and actively participate in their journey. When this business scales, your initial input could result in exponential growth in terms of returns. Funding a small startup idea. Imagine the hypothetical tale of Jamie, a prodigious writer with an idea for an ebook series detailing finance strategies tailored for different age demographics. Jamie possesses the content but needs the resources for design, marketing, and publication. Your $1,000 could be the catalyst, transforming this dream into a reality. And when Jamie's ebooks top charts and resonate with readers from the US to India, your stake in the success story wouldn't just be emotional, but significantly financial. Investing in their growth. Picture Alex, a promising graphic designer, is constrained not by talent, but by outdated tools. Your $1,000 could procure the software or course Alex needs. Fast forward a few years, Alex might be crafting visuals for a Fortune 500 companies, forever indebted to the leg up you provided. Charlie Munger once asserted, the best thing a human being can do is help another human being know more. By channeling your resources into someone else's dreams, you're doing more than just banking on their potential. You're laying the foundations for success stories, friendships, and gratitude that last a lifetime. As you contemplate investing in others, remember this isn't just about monetary growth. The emotional returns, the bonds created, and the satisfaction of contributing to someone's success journey are often more enriching. Your $1,000, when placed in the right hands, can be a beacon of hope, change, and unprecedented success. Your financial journey with that $1,000 is about to get exhilarating. Inspired by Buffett's wisdom, we've discussed the avenues open to you. Armed with this knowledge, you're set to face the challenges of wealth multiplication. Remember, every financial titan once started small, and with the right strategies and mindset, you're on a path to joining their ranks. To discover more financial insights, especially from other financial experts like Warren Buffett, check out the video on your screen. Keep learning with us. Thank you for joining us. Until we meet again, stay financially enlightened and bolster your future.